Hi everyone, today I am taking a trip Mexican to Colombo without leaving the kitchen. We all love a good tacos, but I am going to do full of Sri Lankan tacos. Let's make soft tacos, chicken curry, pol sambol, cheese and special sauce, green chutney. Now I am going to make chicken curry. Now I am going to make traditional coconut sambal for the tacos. Now I am going to add salt, chili powder and chili flakes. In a Mexican, tacos use soft tortilla for the base.
You can buy them, but today I am making Godamba Roti for the base.
Now I am going to add melted butter, 1 egg. If you want, you can add some sugar. Now I am going to add half tablespoon of salt. Now I am going to add milk, 100 ml. Now I am at 400 gram naga flour. If you want, you can use plain flour as well. And mix it well. And I am add some warm water. Now I am add little bit of corn oil. Rest this one at least half an hour. After 30 minutes, make like this and keep it again another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's make tacos. My green sauce, wow, creamy coconut sambal and spicy chicken curry, and everything wrap it up like a tacos.